जयशंकर. आम्ही सभा प्रारंभ प्रार्थना वटू म्हणूया. दक्षिणास्य समारंभा शंकराचार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यंता स्मर्या गुरुपरंपरा. श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शंकरं लोकशंकरं. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं. सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. परिज्ञानाश्रम श्री गुरुशंकर. परिज्ञानाश्रम शंकर सद्गुरु केशव वामन कृष्ण पांडुरंग. आनंद परिज्ञान गुरु सत्योच्चात शंकर सद्गुरु. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै. तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. जय शंकर.
I request Bharati Pratap Pathi to come and please offer her bhajan seva.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I feel immensely blessed to be chosen to pay a musical offering to our Guru Mata here in Sri Chitrapur Mutt, where I have had the good fortune of singing on several occasions before. I consider myself doubly blessed as it's a rare coincidence that my revered Guru Vidushi Lalit Rao was blessed to pay a musical tribute to Kodikal Mohan Namji on the 13th day. We bow down to the lotus feet of Parama Pujya Satyojata Shankarashram Swamiji before we begin. I have with me Shri Shashi Bhushan Gurjar, Shri Surya Upadhyaya, Anushka Prabhu and Rishikesh. अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकम्. अजं निर्विकल्पं अजं निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दं. After this Ganesha Stuti, let us pay obeisance to the Guru through some chosen verses from Sri Dakshinamurti Stotram by Adi Shankaracharya.
संसार
ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರ ದೇವರನಾಮ.
ನರ ಜನ್ಮ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ನರ ಜನ್ಮ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಗರುಡಗಮನನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ 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 ವಿಠಲ
I have chosen one verse from Saundara Lahari and one verse from Bhavani Bhujangam as an offering to Mata Bhavani. प्रतिभय जरा मृत्यु सुधा प्रतिभय जरा मृत्यु विपद्यन्ते विपद्यन्ते विश्वे विधिशतमखाद्या दिविशदः करालं यत्क्ष्वेलं कबलितवतः कालकलना करालं यत्क्ष्वेलं कबलितवतः कालकलना न शम्भो तन्मूलं तव जननि ताटङ्कमहिमा न शम्भो तन्मूलं तव जननि ताटङ्कमहिमा गुरुस्त्वं शिवस्त्वं च शक्तिस्त्वमेव गुरुस्त्वं शिवस्त्वं च शक्तिस्त्वमेव त्वमेवासि माता पिता च त्वमेव गुरुस्त्वं शिवस्त्वं च शक्तिस्त्वमेव त्वमेवासि माता पिता च त्वमेव त्वमेवासि विद्या त्वमेवासि बन्धुः माता भवानी च शक्तिस्त्वमेव त्वमेवासि माता पिता च त्वमेव त्वमेवासि विद्या त्वमेवासि बन्धुः गतिर्मेव देवि सर्वं त्वमेव गतिर्मेव देवि सर्वं त्वमेव गतिर्मेव देवि सर्वं त्वमेव गतिर्मेव देवि सर्वं त्वमेव सर्वं त्वमेव सर्वं त्वमेव सर्वं I will now continue with bhajan with humble pranams to Parama Pujya Swamiji. I will present a bhajan which is composed by him. विषय वासना गुरु ने जगाई सिखाई सत की साधना, गुरु ने सिखाई सत की साधना, जप तप निष्ठा नित्योपासना, गुरु ने सिखाई सत की साधना, जप तप निष्ठा नित्योपासना, गुरु ही ईश्वर गुरु ही राम, गुरु ही ईश्वर गुरु ही अविचल प्रीत की रीत से भागो, अविचल प्रीत की रीत से भागो, गुरुवर नैया पार लगा दो, गुरुवर नैया पार लगा दो, गुरुवर के अभंग।
विष्णुमय जग
a few verses from Shivanama Vanishtakam by Adi Shankaracharya, followed by a bhajan on Lord Shiva.
Hey
त्रिपुरा विभञ्जना जय जय विभारूप शङ्कर दयाला हे पशुपति दयाला हे चन्द्रमौळि बालन्तो बाले विलोचन विचाला चिदानन्ददाता हे जयति कृपाला बालन्तो बाले विलोचन विचाला चिदानन्ददाता हे जयति कृपाला भस्माङ्गले तनुगले मूर्धमाला भस्माङ्गले तनुगले मूर्धमाला निराकार ओंकार शङ्कर दयाला निराकार ओंकार शङ्कर दयाला हे चन्द्रमौळि विमल नीलकण्ठ सुखद विमल नीलकण्ठ सुखद शूलपाणि मृगाधीश चरमाम्बरं वेदवाणि हे आशुद्र पावक महिमानिहारि शम्भो शम्भो हे आशुद्र पावक महिमानिहारि जय जय उमानाथ जय जय तुम्हारी जय जय उमानाथ जय जय तुम्हारी जय जय उमानाथ जय जय तुम्हारी जय जय तुम्हारी जय I will be concluding with a very rare Kabir bhajan. Our Parama Pujya Swamiji often emphasizes on satsang, and this bhajan beautifully explains it. तुम जीना तुम जीना बिगड़ो तुम जीना बिगड़ो मेरे भाई कबीरा बिगड़ो कबीरा बिगड़ो चंदन के भिग बिरखी चंदन के भिग बिरखी बिगड़ बिगड़ सो चंदन बहना बिगड़ बिगड़ सो चंदन बहना पारस को लोह पारस को पारस को लोह छुवेला बिगड़ बिगड़ सो कंचन पेरा बिगड़ बिगड़ सो कंचन पेरा तुम जीना बिगड़ो तुम जीना बिगड़ो तुम जीना बिगड़ो मेरे भाई कबीरा बिगड़ो बिगड़ो तुम जिना बिगड़ो तुम जिना बिगड़ो मेरे भाई कबीरा बिगड़ो राम दुहाई कबीरा बिगड़ो कबीरा बिगड़ो कबीरा बिगड़ो
Dhanyavad Bharti Pachi for this carefully selected and very soulfully rendered bhajan seva. Our beloved Guru Mata, Sudha Kodikal Pachi, and my Amma. She was a woman of grace and beauty. As I reflect on her life and the incredible impact she has had on not just us but everyone around. As I reflect on her life and the impact that she has had on everyone around us, I'm filled with gratitude for the moments that we have shared and the stories she has shared with us. This is one of her early photographs. Which was taken just before her wedding. This was a photograph that was taken to show the groom, prospective groom at the time. And she had gone, her father had taken her to the Hamilton photo studio in Mumbai. And she was sitting there very seriously, quite stiffly, no emotions. So the photographer, to lighten the mood, he just made a casual comment and told her, to bring her braids in front. So that kind of got out a natural smile, and at that very moment, the photographer had taken this photo. This is the wedding photograph, and this was initially a black and white photograph, what you see on the left side. And this is one among the many actually which she used to paint the photograph and make it into a colored photograph on her own. This is Amama and her husband Mohan Kodikal. They shared a life full of love and joy, which only grew more with the birth of their first child, Surekha, my mother, and Pujya Swamiji. Some of the early photographs that were taken. So this was at a beach when I was putting this together. I think Netra Pachi or Viju Pachi had told me that Swamiji would not keep his foot down on the sand. So Amma had laid out her sari so that he could sit on the, so that he would rest his feet on the sari rather than put it on the ground. So among the stories that Amma had shared with me, one of them was very cherished and which she would often tell me on different occasions it would come up. And it turned out to be quite prophetic as well, the story at that point of time. So on one of the anniversaries of Amma and Ajja, Amma and Swamiji had brought a gift for them, which was basically a wooden tray with 3 containers and a rod in the center. So it was basically a salt, pepper, sugar set. So this, while presenting to Amma and Ajja, Amma had said that the salt is Amma, that is Sudha Pachi. The pepper is the father, that is Mohan Ma'am. And at that point, Swamiji intervened and pointed to the rounder, more bigger container which had the sugar, and he said, "And this is Akka," which is my mom. To which my mother retorted and said, "Okay, fine, this rod in the center, this is you, tall and useless." instantly Swamiji had picked up the rod and he said, "I'm the support of all." So at that point of time itself, and support of all indeed for the entire Samaj eventually. So, and also this was one of the last photographs taken before Swamiji left for Mount Abu to take sannyas under Bade Swamiji at Sri Harikota. Ajay had taken early retirement, and after that, the adventurous spirit in both of them took them all over the country and indeed some parts of the world as well. And here you can see Amama, they're going up to the Kedarnath trek, they've gone to Hemkund. So they gone to Himachal Pradesh, Kashi. So this is one of the photos I had come across. It's a beautiful juxtaposition of the past and the present, you know. 20 साल बाद बोलते हैं, तो यहाँ पे it's like 65 years later. So you have Amama in the center and Netra Pachi, that is Netra Nagarkati Pachi, and Vidya Bankeshwar Pachi on either side. They are little sisters. And this was a more recent photo, I think, taken last year, the next one. So Amama was the middle child in a family of 5 children with 2 elder brothers and 2 younger sisters. So these are the 2 younger sisters, and they were much younger to her in age, so she took on a very nurturing, almost a mother figure role in their lives, and that bond continued till the very continued. This is a Shirali family photograph with Ajay and his parents as well. So you can see 4 generations here as well. So with Amama in the center with her daughter Surekha, my mother, her mother and her mother. This is Amama with the entire Kodigal family at the time. So when we were collecting these photographs, I was told that at this point of time, there were only 2 couples in the family that have come into this photo. One is Amama and Ajja. You can see them on the top. Amama is wearing a dark colored sari. And Vivek Mam's parents, Vivek Kodikal Mam's parents. So here apparently Vivek Mam was sitting right in front, the child in front with the angry little face. Apparently he was woken up in the middle of the night to take this photo, so he was very upset. These are some of the other family photographs of uncles, aunts, nieces, nephews. So these are the 4 generation photographs. So the first one is where Amama was the 2nd generation with my sister Samvita Mavan Kurve as a small baby. Then her with her little twins, with Amama as the 1st generation in the photograph. Amama with great-grandchildren, all the 4 of them. This was one of the last photos taken last month when I had come down from Delhi and Akka and her family had come down from Seattle. I spent a good 1 month at home and Akka and all had come for about 10-15 days. So apart from that, in everything she did, she had a lot of grace, there was a lot of artistic qualities in her. So during her college years, she was very, very active in the theatrical scene of her college. So these were 2 photographs I found where she's very expressive. And apparently in this particular the drama that is being shown here, she played a very angry person role. She didn't need any specific tools, fancy paper, paints to do or express her creativity. There was one particular creation which I've only heard about. I've not seen it, and we don't have the photograph. But this is where, at the time when chewing gum was a new product in the market, so Amama's father had got that home. And one day she and her friend were just sitting and doing something. Amama had a hairpin and another safety pin in her hand, and she was doing something on the carom board striker. And a lot of expressive exclamations like, ah, oh, coming out. So nobody knew what she was doing, just her friend and her. And after whatever she was doing, after it was complete, her mother came and everyone saw. And what they saw was really astounding. It was such a beautiful image of Shiva and Parvati dancing and in profile with the jata and everything, very, very minutely depicted. And her friend kind of coaxed her into or forced her into presenting that in the art competition. She didn't want to because she said it's such a small thing. There are so many more better, bigger creations that are there on display. Who will see this? So anyway, it was presented, and one of the judges happened to spot that small little dice on display. And she had actually won that competition, not just for the art, but for the novel idea as well. So I don't have that photograph, but everything she did, generally, one could see that there was that intricacy, that detail, that delicacy in the way she went about doing anything. So the other photograph is where she's applying mehendi on Amma's feet for her wedding. And I remember the elaborate alankar that she would do for the Devi Bhuvaneshwari Vigraha at home during the Navratras. So each day would be a different vahan, different dress, the abhushan. There would be so much detail and attention given to all the things that need to go into that puja. So it was not just, get up in the morning, have a bath, do the puja, okay, no. The entire process of getting the Devi ready itself was a puja in its own way. So these are only some of them. There were 9 different images. So these are just 4 representative images that I've shared here. So Sanji art, the art of painting with the scissors, was something that they had both come up with together. And they ended up making a vast collection of this. They have quite a few still, and they gave away quite a lot. And Amama would conceptualize the artwork. She would make the drawing, and then Aja would sit and meticulously cut through all the patterns, and then they would either put it on a card format, or it would be a big frame depending on the size of the artwork. And many of my holidays I end up spending at home here at Chitrapur Apartments with them. And I also picked up some of the practices, the art form, how to do it. So Amama home was not just a holiday home for me. It became my home for a good 5 years when I was doing my bachelor's in Bangalore. Looking back, I'm quite amazed that those years she was able to manage and tolerate me for 5 years. And anyway, those years actually deepened my bond with her. The many experiences, stories. So many stories she had shared. She would tell, and not just for the sake of telling stories, but it would come out in various ways of either guiding or advising, or even on a lighter note. It would just, her life, actually, I got to know more about it through in those 5 years. So in one of those discussions, so obviously there were, apart from that, there were a lot of spiritual, religious, philosophical discussions we would have. A lot of questions would come to my mind, I would discuss with her. In that context, she expressed her relation with Bade Swamiji and Ishwaranand Giri Maharaj of Mount Abu. And how our Pujya Swamiji took sannyas under them. So I recall one story that not only had a profound effect on her, but eventually on the entire Samaj as well. So it was in 1981 when my papa, Ravi Padukone, received a letter from Bade Swamiji saying that he's arriving at Mumbai on the way to Chennai, and that if Papa could come and visit him, receive him at the Mumbai airport. By the time the letter was received, I believe the plans for Amma and Papa already to go to Chennai were finalized. So Amma then called up Swamiji, who was in Bombay, and told him, you go and receive Bade Swamiji and convey to him that we will meet him in Chennai. Because those days there were no phones, so there was no way to convey that message to Bade Swamiji. So to which, at that time, Swamiji also mentioned, how am I going to recognize who this person is at the airport? So at that time, Mama said, easily identifiable with the orange robes, nobody else would be like him. So that one meeting turned, nobody knows what was the discussion. It was just first among the many meetings that he had with Bade Swamiji. Something triggered at that point, which was magical and only left to one's imagination of what could have transpired. And few years down the line, when Swamiji decided to leave the life that he knows so far and take sannyas, it must have definitely been challenging, but she accepted it, and not just accepted it, but fully supported the decision, and with grace. So throughout, apart from the beauty, the beautiful person that she was, in everything she did, there was a grace in dealing with situations and life events. She would have, these were some of the photos after sannyas. So there was a yatra they had gone on. Another, perhaps the most significant change, I believe, in her life could have occurred when Swamiji became the Mathadipati of our revered Math. And Amma had to adapt to this new reality as well. So from transitioning to being just a mother and grandmother to us, to a Guru Mata to the entire community. So her love, wisdom, and guidance extended beyond our family, touching the lives of many, not just within the community, even beyond. So I may not be able to convey every thought or every emotion she felt or every event in her life as well as perhaps she herself would have penned down in the Releka series. It is a window into her thought, the way she perceived the events that happened, and how it affected her. And it allows us to have a connect in a deeply personal way. So the last few years, she spent a lot of time in Shirali. This was at the Bopan Kodla, her home in Bopan Kodla, which is very close, which is near the Shirali railway station. She got to spend a lot of time in the house with a beautiful garden, and she would take her walker. In spite of the pain, she would attempt to walk. That was part of her physiotherapy routine. So like I said, they started off with a very adventurous spirit back then. And it continued even in Shirali, where she undertook a very fun trip to Karla via caravan, which was organized and arranged by Durgesh Ma'am. So this is just before leaving. This was at one of the earlier Seva Saptah at Karla. So I'm happy I was able to share some of the photographs and few of the experiences that I've had with her. I've had the fortune of having with her. And now I request Durgesh Chandalkar Ma'am to please come and say a few words.
नमस्कार. ऐकतोय? आता सुधा पचिकल खातीर कल सांग म्हाका कळना. म्हाका इज a surprise to me. Shambhavi told me to say a few words because the words are not enough to express, especially our entire community owes to her and Mohan Ma'am their great sacrifice, giving a gem. आमकां म्हणटा वज्र वैढूर्गी करत म्हणते ताणें आमकां दिलेलें आसा स्वामीजीचे रुपेण आमकां, which we are ever grateful to her. We may have to take many births to repay this debt to Sudha Pachi and Mohan Ma'am and their family. One thing, Sudha Pachi I know only after Swamiji became our Guru. Jalyari, I came to know afterwards they are very closely related to Sudha Pachi. I will explain you just few words. Sudha Pachi was my father's uncle's daughter, granddaughter. So I am her second cousin. So that is my relation with Sudha Pachi. So they used to know that Dat Mam Gokran Dat Mam Sudha Pachi Ajo Amma Galo Papa Digalo. So that was our relation with, and my father, uncle was Gokarn. There are 3-4 brothers, Gangadhar Mam, Dat Mam, Ap Mam. So they were all families which I came to know later. but I have developed such a personal relationship with Sudha Pachi. Of course, I used to meet not often, but whenever I used to meet, I used to really spend a quality of time and really developed a great bond, not only with me, my entire family. So I'm ever grateful to her and Mohan Ma'am. And we all know how 25 years have gone, our Swamiji leading our Samaj and bringing us on track to lead a spiritual life and quality life in our lifetime. So once again, I'm thankful for you, Shambhavi, and your family to give me an opportunity to talk to her about Sudha Pachi. I mean, many things can be told, but she was a Jamaica person, wonderful, very loving, affectionate, and always few words. She never used to advise much, but few words are enough to understand what she meant was. That was Sudha Pachi. So I am again grateful to her and Mohan Ma'am and entire Kodikal family for their gift. Our Swamiji, they have given to our Swamiji to our Samaj. Thank you very much. Jai Shankar.
Now I request Praveen Ma'am to please come up and say a few words.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Om Shri Bhavani Shankara Namah. Om Shri Matre Namah. आयच्या श्रद्धांजली सभेक तुम्ही सगळे जाणा हांगा उपस्थित जालीत आज खातीर तुमकां सगळ्यांक तुमकां बिग थँक्स. आयच्या दिवसाचे विचार करतना आणि दुर्गेश मामे म्हणालो, शांभवी म्हणाली की मोहन मामू एक सायंटिस्ट, एक सायंटिस्ट म्हणजे सायंटिफीक थिंकींग, रॅशनल थिंकींग अशें आसता तांगेलें. आनी आय एम क्वायट शुअर मोहन मामा थिंकींगय तशीच आशिल्लें. आनी सुधा पाची एक सुसंस्कृत गृहिणी आनी तांकां समीर नांव चल जालो, सेकंड चायल्ड इन द फॅमिली. आनी त्या चल्यान हांव एकेरी हांवें स्वाम्यांक उल्लेख करता आसतना ताचे खातीर सॉरी, बट आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्वामीजीज पुर्वाश्रम. त्या हातूंत आवळी संन्यास आपण स्वीकार करता, संन्यास घेता म्हणना पडे. आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 40-45 years ago. आनी आय एम ऑल्सो दी मोर ऑर लेस सेम जनरेशन. की तावळे आमी आवज बापून काल सांगिल प्रमाणे आमी आमगेले फ्युचर डिसायड करताली. त्या हातूं हांव मेळिल्ली वारी ऑफकोर्स मोहन माम सायंटिफीक आनी रॅशनल थिंकींग आसले सुद्दां तांकां आध्यात्मीक आनी धार्मीक तांगेलो पांय अगदी भक्कम आशिल्लो. तरी सुद्दां तांगेले चल्यान ज्या वेळेक म्हणलें की हांव संन्यास घेता, तावळी कशी तांगेले मनांत विचार आयले आसतले. आनी एस्पेशली सुधा पाची एज अ मदर कितले ना म्हणले तरी 9 महिने आवसुगल्ले हांतू पोटान थावन मागीर जल्मलेलो चलो आनी आवसुगल माया, वात्सल्य आनी काळजी हे सगळे आवसुकाची गोतू आमकां कडेन सांगूंक जायना. तावळे तिणें कशी एग्री केलें आसतलें तें म्हाका केन्नाय हो प्रश्न पडटा. आनी हो प्रश्न म्हाका आमगेले पयलेचे 9 गुरुमातांगेले बाबतींतूय होच विचार येता की तांणी कशी आमगेल्या चित्रापूर समाजाक तांगेले जालेलो चल्लो समाजाक एक प्रकारे दान दिलो की समाजाचे एक धार्मीक आध्यात्मीक एक कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन म्हणून ते दान दिलें आनी एक महत्वाचो त्याग केलो. हांव 9 गुरू म्हणटा केल्याक मागीर आमगेले प्रथम गुरू ते नॉर्थांतून आयले. कोण गुरू मात आशिल्ले आमकां लेगूत ना. जर ताजे नंतरचे 9 गुरुमात आमकां गोत आसा ती आनी हांव केन्ना त्या 9 गुरुमातांक पळयनी जर ह्या गुरुमातेक हांव अगदी लागींथावन पळयलें ऑफकोर्स चड न्हय लास्ट 16 years फ्रॉम 2008 ऑनवर्ड्स आनी हांव केन्नाय म्हाका हा प्रश्न पडटा की त्या गुरुमातेन इतलो त्याग केलो जर तिका मनान कल विचार आयलो आसतले नॉट ओन्ली एट द टायम ऑफ एक्सेप्टींग हर सन्स डिसिजन टू टेक संन्यास एंड देन बिकमिंग दी अवर समाज गुरु बट ऑल्सो मागीर सुद्दां स्वाम्यांनी संन्यास घेवना पडे आनी आमगेले समाजाचे गुरू जायना पडे त्या गुरुमातेगेल हांव तूं कलकल विचार आयलो आसतले थोडे ते रिलेखान तूं ताजे नॅरेशन आयल्या जाल्यार सुद्दां एक हो म्हाका केन्नाय प्रश्न पडटा आनी तो त्याग जो आसा तो एकदम महान त्याग आसा आनी आय कांट एक्सप्रेस इट सो क्लियरली एंड विविडली बट इट्स अ great contribution of Guru Mata to our Samaj which we can never forget and I have personally seen it. हम म्हणेलवारी पहिलेच 9 गुरु माताने केलें तांगेल आयुश्यान तूं कशी तें सहन केलें स्वीकार केलें कले गोत ना बट ह्या गुरु मातेन कशें केलें हांव पळयल्या तिणें त्याग केलो समाजा खातीर संन्यास दिवलो संन्यास स्वाम्यांनी घेवनची ज्या वेळेक इच्छा प्रकट केली त्या वेळी तिने एक्सेप्ट केलें आनी ताजे नंतर आमगेले समाजाचे गुरू जावची ज्या वेळेक आमगेले समाजांनी एक्सेप्ट केलें त्यावेळी तिणें एक प्रकारे खोड त्यागूच केलो मे बी गौरीपाची यू मे बी नोईंग सो बट इट शोज दॅट ग्रेट contribution to our Samaj as Durgesh Ma'am said we can never express words are not enough आमगेल घार एक वेळा मोहन मामणी मस्त मागशी 2009 म्हाका दिसता मोहन मामणी सुदापाची आयली आनी कितकी ऑलमोस्ट फूल डे स्पेंड केलो आनी तो शांभवीन एक फोटो दाखयलो की कॉलेज आसतना नाटकान काम केलें आनी शी स्पेंड ऑलमोस्ट होल डे एट अवर प्लेस एंड आई शूड थँक माय कझिन गुरु कडले for bringing them to our place आणि तीन तावल तिका कितली सानपणाच्या आणि कॉलेज डेजांतले स्पेशली शी वॉज स्पेंडिंग आय थिंक शी स्पेंड रिजनेबली गूड अमाउंट ऑफ टायम इन बॉम्बे आनी तीन म्हाका आपणाल कॉलेज डेज बॉम्बेन कशी लायफ स्पेंड केलें आनी तें सांगलें आनी तिका गुरून सांगची दिसता की कल म्हाका वतना आमगेले घरान तूं मस्त बुक्स आसा ती आय रीड अ लॉट सो आनी तिका आमगेल हांव खंय शिकिल्लो स्कुलान तूं बॉम्बेन तूं थंय पु ल देशपांडे और PL देशपांडे तुमकां सगळ्यांक गोतच आसतलें तरी तो आमगेले स्कुलान शिकिल्लो सो आमी ती ऑफकोर्स क्वायट सिनियर टू मी आमी ती नॅचरली म्हाका आनी आमच्या स्कुलान सगळे स्टुडंट्सांक तांगेल बद्दल मस्त अभिमान आसा आनी आमी कितली बुक्स आनी म्हागेल तागेल अबाउट 52 बुक्स आर देर एंड आय हॅव गॉट ऑल द 52 बुक्स एट माय होम आनी गुरु मातेक कळ्ळें की मला हे सगळे बुक्स आसा ती म्हणून सो शी वॉन्टेड टू सी ऑल द बुक्स एंड शी केम एंड शी कायंड ऑफ वेंट थ्रू ऑल द बुक्स आनी तातूंत म्हाका तिणें विचारलें की तुका खंयचें आवडटा तर हांवें ही 2 बुक्स आवडटा ती म्हूण सांगलें आनी हांव केन्नाय वाचता म्हणून बिकॉज यू कांट जस्ट रीड पु ल देशपांडेज बुक्स ओनली वन्स ही इज डायड मोर दॅन 20 years ago बट आय स्टील रीड दोज बुक्स तातूंत ह्युमर आसा करुण आसा एक एक analysis of the characters of the people with whom he interacted. So गुरु मातेन म्हाका म्हळें हांव वाचल्या दोनी बुक्स हांव म्हळें वय मागीर ती वाचली बुक्स गुरु मातेन ती रिटर्न केली हांव म्हळें कशी दिसली तुका बुक्स ओ शी वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी शी सेड की हांव बरें जालें तूं ही रिकमेंड केलेली बुक्स वाचली त्यानंतर अशीच एक वेळ वाचतना अशीच एक वेळ मेळ्ळी तावळी हांव म्हळें पाची तुवें गुरुमाता तुवें स्वामी बूक वाचल्या हांवें रणजीत देसाई गेले माधवराव पेशवा वॉज व्हेरी गुड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आनी एस्पेशली पानीपत वॉर जायना पळय ताणें जे पेशवा साम्राज्य कशें वाडयलें and he died at a very young age of 32 and this is a big 600 page or 500 odd pages novel so हांव म्हळें गुरुमाता तुमकां वाचूंक हें आवडटलें it's also my favorite she said yes and then I think she read it आनी तिने म्हाका गुरुमातेन म्हण दाखयलें की तूं बरें केलें हें दिल्लें म्हणून so how can I Shirali, Karla or wherever I could meet Guru Mata, I could experience एक हाँ मळेल बारे पहिले की एक यस आपणाक चल्याक समाजाक दान म्हण दिलें बट ते एक मातृत्व म्हणटा ती काळजी म्हणटा ती ते केन्नाय आशिल्लें ऑफकोर्स मठाची काळजी आशिल्ली गुरू मातेक कला मारी मठाचें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कशें चल्लां म्हण म्हाका विचारताली और कशी चल्ल्या स्वाम्या बद्दलय विचारताली आनी बाकी सगळे विचारताली कशी तुगेल फॅमिलीन कशी चल कशी चल्ल्या हें आनी म्हाका पयलींची गौरीपाची तिका वॉट्सॅप मेसेजान पळयना पेटयना पण म्हाका हांवें कळ्ळें की तिका मगल बायल चेतनान बसले आनी हांव आमगेल बद्दल मस्त तिका काळजी आशिल्ली प्रेमय आशिल्लें वात्सल्य आशिल्लें एक प्रकारे जे अवसूख आसता त्या एज अ गुरू माता शी हॅड दॅट फॉर टू ऑफ अस एंड आय एम रियली I felt really happy and honored Gauripachi after I read that message. I showed it to Chetna, I showed it to my son, my daughter-in-law, and really felt very good about it की गुरु माते का आमगल बद्दल काळजी आशिल्ली आनी कल सांगचें एक पर्व म्हणटा ती ते खर्चले गुरु मातेन वचना पडे एक आमगेलो एक समाज आधार एक वचुलो कळ्ळें म्हळ्यार आमी आमगेल आवसू वचुलेले पळयलेले जे गुरू माता आसा म्हणून एक आधार आशिल्लो तो वचुलो बट ऑफकोर्स शी हॅज गिवन we all owe, as Durgesh Ma'am said, a big debt to her because she gave her own son to us, to our Samaj, in the form of our Mathadipati. What else I can say? He has been our Mathadipati. Sadhyaja Shankarashwar Swamiji is a great Kalmandati. आमकां अशी स्वामीजी मेळ्ळे आनी हांव आतां तुजी गुरुपौर्णिमा की एक परमेश्वराचें सत्य गुरु इज परमेश्वर म्हणून सांगिल्लें आसताची सो गुरू मातेन आमकां एक परमेश्वराची देणगी दिल्या हेंच म्हणटा आनी हांव म्हाका एक दोन शब्द खर्चयता आनी थँक्स फॉर कमिंग हियर एंड मे बी एंड आय शूड ऑल्सो थँक भारतीजी बिकॉज यू एक्सेप्टेड अवर impromptu kind of an invitation to come and perform your bhajan seva. So thank you and thank you to all of you. Thanks.